This is my carb-free bread. Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some carb-free bread. Yes, I said carb-free bread. No carbs at all. So keep watching. All right? This morning I'm going to make some carb-free bread. I'm going to use flax seeds, whole flaxseed meal. I'm going to add 2 cups of flaxseed to my blender here. These are whole seeds here. You see them there. Okay. This is 1 cup. And I'm going to add another cup. Actually, you almost used the whole bag for this recipe, this bread recipe. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the camera off because I know you don't want to hear this blender going. So let me go ahead and turn it on. You can see I blended it to a fine flour. Okay, so now I'm gonna start adding my other ingredients to the flour. I'm gonna add 2 whole eggs to this flour. And I'm gonna add 5 egg whites to the flour. So let me just go ahead and separate the egg whites. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pour the egg whites in the flour. I'm gonna add 2 Stevies, 2 packs of stevie, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I added the egg whites, the 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, just wanted to let you know it's 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Not 1 teaspoon, but 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Now I'm gonna add 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give a little bit more, 1 of the tablespoons, plus I'm very full. So that's everything that I'm gonna add. Oh, there's one other thing. I have to add a half a cup of warm water. Okay, let me go ahead and do that. And now I'm just gonna mix up everything. Now this is what the dough looks like after I had beaten it for, I guess, less than 2 minutes. So it's pretty well mixed. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in this greased pan that I have here. This pan here. Take that out. So this is carb-free bread. And flax seeds are very good for you. I turned the oven on at 350, so it's just waiting on the carb-free bread to go in the oven. Okay, that's about all I can get out of there. Just gonna spread it out evenly in the pan. This is a bread pan that I use to bake bread in. I think I got about 4 pans like this. Okay, that should be good enough. Here's my bread. I just took it out of the oven. Well, it's been out of the oven. It's been out of the oven probably for about 40 minutes, so it should be cool enough for me to cut. When it first came out of the oven, just so you know, it is very high, and then as it starts cooling off, it will go down some. The bread will definitely go down. It will sink down. So let me cut it up and share how it tastes with you. Cut it up and let you see it. See what it looks like. And just I'll cut it in the center because it's supposed to get 16 slices out of this. Let's see here. Since there's no carbs, you can cut it whatever size you like, but I'm just trying to cut it into 16 pieces. to use a knife like this to cut the bread. It's not hot or anything, it's cool. It doesn't look the greatest, but it tastes very good. Especially if you want to have a sandwich or something like that, you can do so. See how it looks. You can toast it. Plate. I tasted the bread. The bread is, I thought the camera was on while I was tasting it, but I still have some in my mouth. The bread is very good. It's very moist, tender, and I'm sure it's going to be fantastic when you toast it and put some butter on it. It's going to be really good. So this is carb-free bread. So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.